Hello, I OP Srivastava is going to use star delta method to find out the net capacitance of a complicated capacitance circuit as shown in the diagram itself. In fact, lot of problem of capacitance circuit can be solved by using star delta method. But naturally I have found nobody using this one and never I have seen such a complicated circuit being asked in UP board or any other Indian board's education system. So I have tried to explain it. Now as you see in on screen, I have already taken a problem and given solution as well. But I am going to start it from very beginning. I will create a question, I will show the answer, I will show the final answer as well. So let us off everything, okay? So I am doing all this thing. Now create a question. I have written create a question. There are four capacitors 1 microfarad, 6 microfarad, 3 microfarad, and 9 microfarad. 1, 6, 3, and 9 microfarad along the diagonals mentioned. And find out the net capacitance between B and D points. In fact, after finishing this video, I will give a link also. By using that, you can yourself try this to solve this. Okay. So let us start from very beginning. Okay, I am doing C1 as 2. Chalo, I make it 10. I am just making it 10. Right? You know it is not a balanced circuit. P upon Q is not equal to R upon S. So it is not a balanced. So how you can get the net capacitance between B and D, that I am going to explain. Here I will use star delta method. Alright. So the answer. I am showing the answer here it is. What I have did, I have made a delta into star form. So this delta ABC delta has been converted into a star as shown here. So how it has been converted? What formula has been used? The formula I have mentioned here also. So CA means this capacitance between junction point and that is CA is given as CAB into CBC plus CBC into CCA plus CCA into CAB upon CBC. And this way I will put the value here. I am solve it. I am getting 20.67 microfarad. That is 20.65. Similarly, CB, right? CBC into CCA, CCCA into CB, CAB plus CAB into CBC upon CCCA. By putting the value and solving, I'm getting this one 31 microfarad. Here it is. All right, CCB and CC. This is where you can calculate all this. So now this way you can find out the capacitance of this delta form in a star form. Why I have done it? By doing this way, I have made the circuit very simple. Now this DA, AJ are in series. Similarly, DC and CJ are in series. And with this series, these two are in parallel. And then they finally it will become in series. So here I have already mentioned everything. Now show the final answer. How it is final answer? Now see. CB here CBD is equal to C net is CB into Cn upon CB plus Cn. From where I got CB and Cn I have already shown you here. Here it is. I mean B and D point is there. This CC and C4 are in series. These two are series and along this combination is in parallel. In the value of this CC and C4 and this C2 and C3. That is all after solving we get this one, Cn. And Cb is already there. Now Cb and Cn are in series, and using the net resistance formula, as you know, in capacitance, two capacitors say C1, C2 are in series. The net capacitance is given as C is equal to C1 into C2 upon C1 plus C2. The same formula I have used here, and this way I got it. Now, so here it is CC and C4, CN1. I have gone to find out the net capacitance by using parallel combination formula, sorry, series combination formula this way. This way I have derived everything, and finally I got the resistance 6.25. After finishing this, I will mention the link in my website where you will, if you click that link, you will get the same problem where you can interactively solve it and practice it. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. My website is site.com.google/view/Om Gurukul, and is visible only when you are registered in my website. And for registration, you can apply, you can mail your email address to my mail. I will register you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.